dolls, I am Robbie Mo and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing the hot glue gun wig tutorial. A lot of my subscribers have been asking about this. So today we're going to get right into the video and I'm going to show you how I make this wig. To make this wig, you will need, of course, your glue gun. You'll need a spandex cap or a mesh foam cap. You'll need your glue sticks for your glue gun, T-pins, a rat tail comb, a wide tooth comb. You will need scissors if you're cutting tracks. And of course you will need your hair. And of course the last item you will need is your wig head. Some people use a styrofoam wig head, but today I will be using my plastic wig head, and I probably won't be needing those T-pins for this tutorial because yes, I'm using my plastic wig head. But if you are using a styrofoam wig head, you want to make sure that you go out and buy some T-pins just so that you can keep everything in place on your mannequin and make sure everything doesn't move while you're constructing your wig. So to begin, I'm going to start placing the glue directly on the track. You can also just place a line of glue on the spandex cap and then just place the track on top. But I like to do it this way because it makes it less messy for me and I'm able to, directly place the track on there better. And when you're applying the glue, you want to make sure you apply just enough so that you can place it onto the spandex cap without it drying, because once it dries, you'll have to just peel it off and then reapply the glue. Do it section by section just to make sure, the glue doesn't dry up, because this glue dries very quickly. And right here, I'm just using my wide tooth comb just to press down gently onto the track so that the glue can dry better. And for this wig, I'll be doing the flip over method. I will start cutting tracks once I get to the top of my wig, just so my wig can be flatter. But for right now, I'm doing the flip over method. And when you're doing the flip over method, you want to make sure that the track is completely dry before you flip it over. I kind of started a little bit earlier, but yes, make sure the track, that the area that you stopped at, is completely dry before you start to flip the track. And then just apply your glue and keep flipping. And periodically, while you're placing your tracks, you want to go through with your wide tooth comb and just, gently comb out the hair. Don't pull too hard, even though the glue is kind of strong. Don't pull too hard, but, gently comb out hair that gets kind of tangled in the process of placing the tracks on the cap. So at this stage, I'm going to start cutting hair just so I can have a flat, seamless look. I'm going to place the hair straight across. And when you're cutting tracks, you want to pre-measure where you need to cut your hair at. And then once you have the space that you want to place the hair in, you want to place the glue in the hair and then lay it down. Lay the tracks down. So I'm going to finish the top section right here, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished results. So this is how the top of the wig looks once I filled in all of the space around in the semicircle to bring it forward. This is the U. Your U can be as small as you want or as big as you want, depending on how much leave out you want to leave out. So this is the size of my U, and I didn't show this on camera, but before you make your wig, you want to draw with a light color eyeliner or pencil. You want to draw the U, so you have like a layout of how far you want to go up when you're gluing the tracks onto the cap. So now I'm going to cut out the rest of the cap right here that I don't need. So this is how the wig looks after I cut off the excess cap. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place some wig clips up here, just so when I install my wig, it'll be, you know, secure and it won't lift up or anything or come off. And at the bottom right here. So guys, I currently have a sew-in in, so I'm going to let my girl Yasmin show you how the wig looks. She looks so cute. I love this color. It's very trendy right now for summer. It's popping. I think I did a good job. What do you guys think? If you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And I will see you in the next video.